Now we're going to be setting our home location through the factory installed navigation. So all I do is click this button on the top right. It's going to ask me if I want to set my home. I'll click yes. For these purposes, we'll set the dealership as the home. So we're going to plug in the street address here. We'll start, it's in Wisconsin. We'll click the house number, which is 5505. We'll click yes. And then we're going to do south. And we'll go 27th. And it will pop up South 27th Street. And then it will show me exactly where we are. And that looks good on the map. And all we'll do is click OK. And now my home has been set for the dealership. So whenever I want to get home, it's already saved into my address book. And I'll click OK. And now whenever you're ready to get home, you know exactly where to go because your phone and your car has it set.